Dr. Durga Rao and Kiran Gadela on stage, please. Headline thought.
Today, having seen some of the parents, and I think it was extremely emotional for me because I was there with all of you during your journey, and even though it was an extremely small part of your journey, and a lot of gratitude that you chose to come to Oasis and we have managed to fulfill your dream.
It's 15 years now for Oasis. I can't believe that we've come this far. Thank you everyone, people who have actually trusted us.
And for us, there's nothing bigger than celebrating our work of art. Dr. Durga, I'm sure when you look at this or you go through this whole scholarship event, I think it will bring feelings of pride in the kind of work that you and your team have really done over the last 15 years. For on this great occasion and to sort of commemorate our winners of the scholarship, absolutely apt for the occasion. While many of you know her, I'll tell you why she's absolutely the right. Always, played roles, and all of us associate her with roles of very strong women. Very warm welcome to you from the Oasis Fertility family. Thank you so much for really being here.
Dr. Durga and Mr. Kiran for this successful 15 years and many more to come. So they've made 1 lakh happy families, happy mothers, happy children.
And as one of the most trusted and the most respected fertility brands in the country, Dr. Durga and Kiran really have taken some strong steps to take Oasis Fertility there. Today we operate multiple states. So we are, apart from AP and Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Gujarat, I'm missing one state, Chhattisgarh, right? We'd like to have very interesting, fireside chat between Ramya ji and Dr. Durga, because there are many myths about the fertility process, right? There are many myths about the science of fertility. At the same time, this whole science has really advanced and taken leaps and bounds in the last 15 years that we've walked through it.
It's amazing that we have been managed to get you here. I think it's so encouraging for all of us.
I'm honored.
Thank you so much. Our CEO was also talking. I think the message that we want to give everybody, and that's the reason why we thought you would be the most appropriate person, a strong woman, and even the characters that you play, I'm sure is a reflection of your own personality, and that comes across as being somebody who's very confident of the way in the world and doing what she loves best.
Usually very confident in front of the camera. Mummy papa అవ్వాలంటే Oasis రండి అన్నారు. Usual గా ఇంతకు ముందు మమ్మీ పాప అవ్వాలంటే పెళ్లి చేసుకోవాలి. Marriage and kids felt natural then. IVF has become so common today. The taboo around it. Why has it become so common and the taboo around it?
So I think, previously whenever we are talking about our older generations, like even in our own families, when we are really looking at our grandparents or even our parents, the quality of life that they had, in terms of having a balanced sleep, having a balanced diet, the right amount of exercise, I don't think they were surrounded by as much luxuries as we have.
Plastics do have an impact on the hormone.
They do have an impact. So all of these basically come under the category of estrogen, deriving chemicals. So these are the things which do pollute the atmosphere around us and, impact our gametes. As you know, sperm and eggs are very, very sensitive. And any kind of impact on the wrong can actually have a great deal of, effect in terms of fertility. I would like to see what your son is going to be doing. You have one son.
Yes.
You stopped with one.
Yeah.
See?
Many of age group have stopped with one, and the youngsters I meet don't even want to have any, no commitments, no responsibilities, and no children. So, my next question. Is there a scientific reason or a new trend? Have we spoken about it?
I think yes, in terms of again how much of we tend to have a lot of conditions which are getting more common. Again, it could be because of the lifestyle. You might have heard of PCOD, endometriosis, fibroids, and I think male factor is increasing a lot more than what it was when we were starting out in terms of
Sleep, for that matter.
Definitely. I mean,
Because I can see my son, getting him to sleep on time is a tough job for me. I think it's a issue with the generation.
absolutely. So, when we're talking about fertility, this all the basis is a hormonal cycle.
Yeah.
And the hormones do get impacted with, again, all of these things. Your sleep, your diet, your exercise, the air that you're breathing.
Are IVF kids healthy and normal? Genetic
This is where, this myth is the main reason why we wanted to get our accomplished children here today, which, and that IVF babies are not just healthy, they are thriving in whatever they are choosing to do.
You also mentioned one which is not IVF, which is
That-
drug-free.
Yes, we at Oasis, we prefer to be at the forefront when we're talking about science, and that is the reason why we chose the new tagline of being in the good hands of science. The soul of Oasis is our doctors, and I'm fortunate to have a few of them with me today.
వాళ్ళు ఏంటది అంత యూనిక్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ దట్
Correct. So, doctors చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. But the doctor to have that commitment, the success rate of IVF is around 45 to 50%. Because of the technology that we use, we have reached a success rate.
70%. I
Yes.
heard that is.
So, that how do we get there? Again, it's the commitment. So, how much are these people thinking about? It's never a factory setting. Individualization of the couple that is there in front of you. Treatment schedule.
Empathy is something which
Which is extremely important. That is something that they have to learn on their own.
We can take a few questions from the audience. First of all, thanks to Durga Garu. My journey started to Malli journey started in kids cooking awareness, because what education would you like to give, especially for the people in IT sector like me?
I'm so glad you asked this question because in recent times, at least in the last 3 or 4 months, me and Dr. Krishna, we've been thinking about this ourselves. Ee situation raakunda, mana fertility rate 1.8 antunnam when it should be 2.1. Manam em cheyali? Yes, you're absolutely right. Business, all of that is fine. Our contribution to society, our contribution to the country, what should it be is where we were looking at. And your first point is app. It is education. It is letting the people know what is affecting them. How do they reduce that effect on not just on fertility, it's just on the general health also. What are we doing currently? We are training gynecologists because they are within our circle.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो इंडियन मैन है इनफर्टिलिटी को लेके बहुत टैबू होता है, तो वो कैसे हैंडल किया जाए सोसाइटी के प्रेशर को देखते हुए?
पहली बात तो उनको ये समझना चाहिए कि इनके जो लाइफस्टाइल है, ये जो आप स्मोकिंग करते हो, ड्रिंकिंग करते हो, बिंज ड्रिंकिंग करते हो, क्रिएशनल ड्रग्स होता है, ये सब सोसाइटी में आ चुका है, रूटेड इन आवर सोसाइटी. उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है वो आप नहीं जानते हो. द लाइफस्टाइल दैट दे हैव बीन लीडिंग एंड व्हाट दे एस्पायर टू इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट राइट फॉर देम.
can stress also be
Absolutely.
stress.
Again, stress is how you handle it. Everybody has stress. So it's how you are handling it that makes a difference. And I think that's what is more important than saying stress makes a difference. Yes, it does.
How do you manage all that stress? I don't let myself get stressed. Stress రోజు జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. దాంట్ నుంచి మనల్ని ఎలా కాపాడుకోవాలో మనం అర్థం చేసుకుంటేనే మనం చివరి దాకా కొంచెం హెల్తీగా ఉండొచ్చు. బికాస్ స్ట్రెస్ రాకూడదు అనుకోలేము. ఏ రోజు ఏమవుతుందో తెలియదు. మనల్ని దాని నుంచి how to protect yourself, what I work on, I'm still working on it. How to be a good mother.
Yes.
How to be good. Yeah, it's each to their own. So not to take the freedom away from them, get you into a bigger problem. Give them the freedom and let them know their responsibility.
Thank you. We have one last question.
I'm Dr. Madhvi. My question is, you are saying about women freezing their eggs for future. If she chooses to freeze her...
So there is a very clear algorithm that we follow based on what your reserve is, how many eggs you have, and most importantly, what your age is. You're able to get at least a 70% success rate.
70%.
Based on how many eggs we freeze. You want to have a child at 35, fine. But at least freeze your eggs when you're in your late 20s or early 30s.
So with that, let us start with the winners who have performance, talent, achievements. I would like to request the child and the parent to come up on stage. The first winner is Alexandra, and the winner is Ilannath Sloka, and the winner is Virat Havish Devi, Jaideep Chandra, and the winner here, Karthik Mithun Vashisht, Vinay Ojaswal, Pariniti. Let's have Maitri on the stage, please. Avigna. Kavan Srinivas. Vijay Renault.
At Oasis, our first and most important thing that we do is we see the patient and do what is right by them. I think, it's not a blanket, everybody needs IVF. That's not how we work. we make sure that we give the right treatment, what is appropriate for them, and then give the best in terms of science and success.
రైట్ నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ లిమిటింగ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది అవర్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటే ఒకటే అవేర్నెస్. పిల్లలు పుట్టట్లేదు అంటే జనాలు ఫస్ట్ డాక్టర్ దగ్గరకు రాకుండా వేరే మెథడ్స్ లో వెళ్ళడం, చివరిన టైం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత డాక్టర్స్ దగ్గర వచ్చి మిరకల్స్ ని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయడం. ఐ థింక్ మన అందరం కూడా అవగాహన దీంట్లో తీసుకుని రావాల్సిన చాలా అవసరం ఉంది. ఐవీఎఫ్ అంటే కేవలం 30% అంటారు, కానీ మనం యంగ్ ఏజ్ లో ప్రాబ్లం కనుక నిజంగానే ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ట్రీట్ చేయడం వల్ల సక్సెస్ అనేది దాదాపుగా 60-70% కూడా అవ్వచ్చండి. ఒకటి అవేర్నెస్ అయితే, రెండోది యాక్సెసిబిలిటీ అండ్ అఫోర్డబిలిటీ. ఈ రెండింటిని కూడా మనం పెంచగలిగితేనే ఈ దేశంలో ఉన్న ఈ అవసరాన్ని మనం తీర్చగలం.